Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find games on the Google Play Store in Samsung Galaxy Tab 9 FE. To do this, let's open the Google Play Store and here try to find something like Call of Duty or basically any other game. There's an icon for it, but when you click on that, nothing happens. And to fix this now, go back on the homepage of Google Play Store, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Enter Family and scroll down for parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or switch to apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. If you can't find games still, then increase it to 18 or unrestricted. Now save the settings and let's go back looking for the same game. And now Call of Duty is available. We can either play or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.